Hey guys, how's it going? It's Martin again, and I just made this follow-up video now to discuss in more detail the strategies and techniques I discussed in the first video. So in that one I talked about a BMW type page I was going to set up, which would feed potential customers and leads to a client who is a car dealership and mainly sells auto accessories and car cleaning equipment, that sort of stuff. So I was giving you ideas using that as an example. So I made a page that day, and here's that page, and I've got 651 likes so far. You'll see it's got random content here, just like these images that people comment on. A lot of people voting on this one from Thursday. Then we started the page was founded on Wednesday. The traffic campaign started on Thursday, so it's up to 651 likes so far. And to use the techniques I discussed there now, or in the other video, to engage those customers or those likes and try to turn them into customers, well, I've started that process already. Now obviously it's only a couple of days old, so I can just show you what I've set up so far. And we've the iframe apps that I was talking about are these things that appear down here. You can have up to this number here, 5 custom tabs. So I've made one giving people a free car detailing guide, so like how to shine up your car and stuff. So I'm going to talk about how I came up with the targeting for this as well. So we click in here, and I've made an image now. You see it's quite appealing to people who own BMWs. I've targeted this page at BMW owners, and it feeds into what I've done for the client. So people can like the page, and they've got the connect here, so click connect using Facebook, and using one of my apps I'm just going to click connect here. And there we've got the thank you page now. So I've set that up to come to their inbox via an autoresponder. I just set up with MailChimp, which is free for the first few hundred leads anyway. And I've got a little invite friends to this tab button, so I can invite people here. And it's just a test account I'm using. It's also posted to the wall here with an image. So that's one of the things that I use, and the type of app I think you should be using. That's what I recommend to start growing those likes into leads and getting people connected. So that's an idea of something I use as a feeder page. It's going to be used now for this client I have, and that's the kind of thing I think the route you should be going down. So what I give those people now when they opt in is this here, which is basically it's some PLR content that I bought for about, I think it was $20 or something. And it's a whole big detailed book. So they're gonna right away, it's going to be pretty cool information. It's going to engage them, and this thing has a whole autoresponder sequence and images and loads of stuff. So it's going to keep them entertained and keep them busy for a week, and then eventually I can start giving them offers and things then related to what the client has or what the client needs, you know. And that's all just from the techniques that I talked about in the first video. So to do this, you're going to need a few different things. You're going to need a Facebook page. So the first thing I'm just going to go is to facebook.com/pages/create.php, and this is where you make your page. You just choose which of these applies, and you click, and then you choose the name, type that, and you agree, then you click get started. Next thing you get this, so you enter some description. You can skip that for now. So that's the page basically set up. Now the things you're going to have to set up now for the page to make it appealing and to engage people. You need a profile picture. I'll skip this thing first. A profile picture here. You're going to need a cover image just by clicking add a cover, and then you can upload one, and that's just going to take up the space at the top. You're going to want a good description here, and then you're going to have your custom app over here. So to create this app, it really is quite technical, so all I can do at this point is refer you to the page where it tells you how to set them up. So if you go to developers.facebook.com/apps, you get this page here, and you just click create a new app, then you pick the name and the namespace. click continue. Yeah, one of these irritating security things to get past. And there's your app setup now. So what you're going to have to do is the page tab here. So you click on page tab, and you've got the custom name, the page tab URL, and the secure page tab URL. Now I've got a link below the video here to a manual which explains all this, because I can't explain it all here in the video without specific apps and pages and things set up. So I've just got the manual there for you. This is more of an outline video to tell you how to do this. So the app that you're going to need for this is something you call an FB Connect app, and that's going to let people click connect, which will connect with your page and will get their email, put their email onto your email list. So there are a few links about that below as well. But this video today was just to draw things together and show you an actual real page I made that does the sort of thing that I was talking about in the first video. So hopefully this helps you. The manual below has got lots of information on how to proceed with this. It's a little bit technical, but there are easier ways to do it, and that's something that I'm going to be telling you about as well via email over the next couple of days. But check it all out. It should get some ideas going, and before you know it, you will be able to build up to 100 leads per day or more for yourself and for clients.